Welcome to Spider Project tutorial. Today we are looking at some of the advanced ways of establishing links in Spider Project, getting access to the link properties, form, and link dialog window. So one of the ways to establish a link in Spider Project would be putting a cursor on the task that you want to get the link from. And in our 1 kilometer of road construction example, I'm going to connect drainage system construction, left mouse click, with trench excavation task, and drag that spider web to the task. By default, Spider Project establishes a finish-start relationship between these two activities via using the spider web connector. If I wanted to get into the link form and update some of these properties, I could just repeat these steps and connect these two activities again. This will bring the link dialog form or window, and from here I could either go into the Establish Link Properties button. Now I'm in the link form. In the link form, I can update all of the parameters as required, go Apply on OK, or I could actually add another link to the same preceding task. This is really cool. In Spider Project, you can do that. You can just click the Add button, and it establishes another link to the same preceding task, and you can change the properties of that connection as well while you're here in the link dialog window. Click OK, and we can just press the simple scheduling button there. And the logic has now been embedded in our project plan. If you wish to get into the link property form every time you're connecting your tasks in Spider Project, you can amend the settings of the Gantt chart by going into the top bar here in the Gantt chart view, go right-click Settings, and if you go into the Gantt diagram settings in the additional area and tick the box Show Link Property window when creating a link and hit Apply and OK button. Now I'm going to connect a road layout and sand bed tasks, and I'm just doing it the same way how we did it a few seconds ago. And you can see that link form appears, and I can update any of the properties in this view and hit Apply and OK button, and it will pop up. That window will pop up every time I'm connecting my activities in the Gantt chart view. Another way of establishing a link between the task and Spider Project could be by going into the Activity Network Diagram view. In your main menu, go View, Diagrams, Activity Network, and from here, put a cursor on the task box, and I'm just going to select bituminous concrete surface wearing course, a left mouse click, and a spider icon appears now. I'll drag the spider web line to the activity I want to connect it with, marking out, and Spider Project establishes a finish start relationship between the two tasks. Now if I go back to the activity again view, I can see that this connection is now established. And if I click the simple scheduling button, it will recalculate the project. Another way of establishing a preceding activity would be to actually go into the task itself. And let's go into the barriers task, double click on the task line. Now we're in the task or activity form, go into the links area, and in the preceding activities table, we're going to click the Add button, and we find the task that we want to connect it with, and I want to to be a rolled sides task. I'll just double click on that task. And if I want to update any properties, I'll go into the properties form and change any of these settings from the link form here. So click apply and OK. Now we can see that this connection is now established. Click the simple scheduling button and your project gets recalculated. One more way to get access to the link form would be to go into the links table. Main view, view, activities and links. This is where all of the links that are established in the project schedule are stored. In the columns, you can see all of the link parameters are visible. If you want to get access to the link property, you can just select the link, double click on that line, and now you get into the link form. So any of the parameters of any of the link in your project schedule could be updated in the link form from this view as well. We're going to cover the detail of the link types and parameters in our subsequent videos later. But for this topic, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.